Welcome to the immersive world of IIIOT's VR Factory. Today, we embark on a journey through the heart of the factory, exploring how every detail comes to life. Along the way, we'll share important safety tips and insights to enhance your knowledge. Let's begin this exciting adventure. Before we head inside, let me show you the maintenance areas outside and what's being managed here. Thank you. Now follow me. Well done. Now, one of the most important things in a factory is how we dress. Each workplace has a different personal protective equipment, PPE, suit, tailored to the specific hazards present. Properly wearing the right protective gear minimizes the risk of accidents, whether you're working with machinery, chemicals, or handling heavy materials. PPE ensures that employees stay safe and productive, both inside the facility and in outdoor environments. Follow me. What a sunny day! You know it's important to stay hydrated for workers under the sun. Okay, now this is a place where we operate cranes. Cranes are used in factories and larger industries for lifting, moving, and positioning heavy materials or equipment that are too massive for manual handling. They play an essential role in optimizing workflows, increasing safety, and ensuring the efficiency of operations. And now about containers. Over here. Containers play a crucial role in modern factories, warehouses, and shipping industries, serving as standardized storage units that make the transportation and handling of goods much more efficient. These large, durable steel boxes are designed to hold everything from raw materials to finished products, ensuring secure, organized, and cost-effective movement across various stages of production and distribution. One of the most crucial aspects of a factory is managing its waste effectively, and I'll show you why. Dumping hazardous chemicals into rivers pollutes fresh water, harming ecosystems and endangering wildlife. It contaminates drinking water, which poses serious health risks to communities relying on the river. This toxic waste can lead to long-term environmental damage, threatening both aquatic life and the health of humans living nearby. To prevent river pollution, factories should treat waste before disposal, follow strict environmental regulations, use eco-friendly production methods, and invest in waste management systems that prevent hazardous chemicals from entering waterways. With the outdoor area now complete, we'll transition to the interior, beginning with the heart of the factory, the warehouse. Follow me. A warehouse plays a crucial role in a factory's operations by serving as the hub for storing raw materials, finished products, and essential supplies. It ensures efficient inventory management, enabling the smooth flow of goods to and from the production line. Properly organized warehouses reduce delays, minimize waste, and optimize space, enhancing overall productivity. Additionally, a well-managed warehouse supports timely distribution and helps maintain product quality by providing controlled environments, contributing to the success of the supply chain and customer satisfaction. Welcome to the conveyor belt. Press the red button to activate the machine. Well done. Now follow me. Conveyor belts in factories are essential for efficient material handling. They transport goods and raw materials across different production stages, reducing manual labor and speeding up processes. By automating movement, conveyor belts enhance productivity, maintain workflow continuity, and improve safety by minimizing the need for human intervention in hazardous areas. Maintaining tools in a factory after use is crucial for ensuring efficiency, safety, and longevity. Regular maintenance prevents breakdowns, reduces downtime, and improves product quality. Well-maintained tools also enhance worker safety by minimizing accidents caused by malfunctioning equipment, ultimately leading to lower repair costs and increased productivity. Thank you for joining us today. That's all for the Factory Showcase. Feel free to visit again and check out our other training videos. We look forward to seeing you soon.